Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. First, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button below the video. And let's start. Now, Microsoft has announced that you can now try the Binge chat by signing into a Microsoft account without needing to wait for access on a wait list first. Up to now, new users looking to try out Binge chat were required to sign up for a waitlist first before getting access to the AI features. As of today, anyone with a Microsoft account can try Binge AI simply navigating to binge.com. The company says this marks the service existing limited preview for the first time and is now in the open preview phase of testing. This is a huge milestone for Microsoft as it means more users will be able to use the service starting today. To access the new Binge, just head to binge.com and sign into a Microsoft account. From there, you will see a new chat option in the navigation bar along the top. Alongside this news, Microsoft has also announced new feature and capabilities coming soon to Binge chat, including support for third-party plugins such as OpenTable, a developer platform, and a richer visual experience such as graphs and charts and more. Binge chat will also now be able to remember chat history and resume conversations across sessions. This allows Microsoft to better integrate Binge chat with Microsoft Edge, such as being able to hand off to the built-in Binge chat interface in Edge when navigating away from the binge.com website. Microsoft announced Binge chat back in February and has been on a winning streak since. Binge chat has engaged in over 90 billion chat prompts with 100 million daily active users, which is also assisting Edge in growing market share. This is the end of text. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you later.